Normally, links in YouTube description are formatted as text or as blue text links. But recently, some links such as YouTube, Twitch, Discord, or Instagram are shown as an icon with your username or the video title, like this. Here's how to display your links the fancy way. The short version is to simply paste your link and YouTube will format it automatically. But some links have to be in a specific format, otherwise they won't show up correctly. Let's take a look at some working examples first. Here's a YouTube playlist. Copy and paste the link. Here's a YouTube video. Copy and paste the link. Here's an Instagram page. Copy and paste the link. Save. Let's see what they look like. Okay, so far so good. But here's a caveat. Let's take a look at two examples. First, we have YouTube links. Here are 4 ways we can display the links: with or without HTTPS and or www. We're going to do the same thing to an Instagram link. Now, let's see what they look like from the front end. Here's the result. If it's a YouTube link, there's no difference whether it has HTTPS and or www. However, if it's not a YouTube link, notice that without the HTTPS, the first 2 links, the links won't show up with the icon. So to get a link to show up as an icon link instead of a text link in YouTube description, simply paste your link with HTTPS in your YouTube video description. If it's a YouTube link, then the link format doesn't matter.